Taking to social media, BJP leader Lakshmikant Bharadwaj has shared a heartwarming moment of a woman in a village in awe of Prime Minister Modi during polls. He stated that the Prime Minister has won the hearts of the people. Reacting to this, the Prime Minister has expressed that witnessing the affection of mothers and sisters in villages has moved him to tears. He has stated that he is resolved to repay this debt to the people of the country. Prime Minister Modi has also highlighted that it is the responsibility of every BJP worker to make people aware of the party's endeavour and fulfill its promises. Prime Minister Modi drawing appreciation from rural India, and he's also gone on to say that he's touched by the show of expression and admiration. The Prime Minister definitely confident that the BJP is coming back for a third term. Alright, apart from expressing his resolve to repay the affection of the people, Prime Minister Modi has also slammed Rahul Gandhi once again. Launching a scathing attack at the Gandhi scion, he has stated that while the Congress leader's name speaks for itself, it is Modi's work that sets him apart. Listen in.
भला बुरा कहना उनको मजा आ रहा है, वो कुछ भी बोलते जा रहे हैं। और मैं देख रहा हूं सोशल मीडिया में, टीवी में बहुत सारे लोग चिंता जताते हैं कि भाई ये भाषा अच्छी नहीं है। ऐसी भाषा देश के प्रधानमंत्री के लिए बोलना ठीक नहीं है, ऐसा लोग सोशल मीडिया में कहते हैं। कुछ लोग बहुत दुखी हो जाते हैं कि मोदी जी को ऐसा क्यों बोला, देश के प्रधानमंत्री के लिए ऐसी भाषा का क्यों प्रयोग किया, देश के प्रधानमंत्री को कभी कोई ऐसा बोलता है क्या। मेरी सबसे विनती है कि कृपा करके आप दुखी मत होइए, आप गुस्सा मत कीजिए। आपको पता है वे नामदार है, हम तो कामदार हैं। और नामदार तो कामदार को सदियों से ऐसे ही गाली गलौज करते आए हुए हैं, ऐसे ही ठोकर मारते आए हुए। तो भाई मैं तो आप में से आता हूं, गरीबी से निकला हूं। अगर 5-50 गालियां पड़ जाएगी तो पड़ जाएगी, आप गुस्सा मत कीजिए। मैं सबको कहता हूं, आप लोग नाराजगी मत व्यक्त कीजिए। वो इतने निराश है कि अभी आगे आगे तो और बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, आप अपना समय खराब मत कीजिए। तो ये मेरी सोशल मीडिया में जो लोग बहुत नाराजगी से कुछ न कुछ कहते रहते हैं, टीवी मीडिया वाले भी कहते हैं, मेरी करबद्ध प्रार्थना है भाई, इन नामदारों को कुछ मत कहो।
All right, Mehendi Garg, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast. Mehendi, the Prime Minister once again attacking Rahul Gandhi, calling him Namdar and calling himself as Kamdar. People remember Rahul Gandhi because of his name, but they will remember Modi for the work that he has done. Of course, this also is an extension of the back and forth which has been going on between the central government and the Congress party over the comments that were made by the Prime Minister in Rajasthan just a few days ago.
Well, yes, Vineet, the political war of words has been started and is being seen between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party when the Lok Sabha elections have started. So right now, again, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has pointed out Congress Party and has made allegations and made huge statements on Rahul Gandhi. Earlier also, he said Rahul Gandhi is Shehzada, and right now also he name-called him. And in this scenario of word calling, name calling, and also the political war war of words. The Election Commission has issued a notice to Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress also in terms of the words that are being used in the rallies and the complaints that are being registered by the BJP or the Congress party. If we talk about the BJP and the Prime Minister's comments, then earlier also we saw that he said Congress's manifesto as Muslims manifesto, on which Congress has filed a complaint, and due to that, Election Commission has sent a notice to the BJP President JP Nadda, and also due to various complaints registered by the BJP, some notices and some issues have been called out by the Election Commission for Congress party also, and those issues and those complaints have been taken to Mallikarjun Kharge. But no such reply has been given by the Bharatiya Janata Party or Congress as such. But ahead of the Lok Sabha elections and between all of the scenarios and these war of words, the politics is getting heated up because Prime Minister in every rally is calling out some things about the Congress, about the Rahul Gandhi, or we can say about the Congress's manifesto.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.